जय जगन्नाथ पिलामाने काली तुमरो क्लास 9 इंग्लिश रो पीरियडिक टेस्ट 1 अछि तो चलो जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट तावर क्वेश्चंस गुडा को करदबा। तो यूनिट 1 अछि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट इट वाज दैट मिस्टर गुप्ता वेंट फॉर हिज लंच। तो आंसर होछि वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट। जब फुल ब्रैकेट लिखिबो मिस्टर गुप्ता went to a vegetarian restaurant. What did Mr. Gupta really replied when Mr. Betty asked him what kind of country India is, sir? Mr. Gupta replied, India is a beautiful country. 3I, what is the name of Maggie's brother? Maggie's brother's name was Frankie. Tears of happiness welled up in her eyes. Why? When Mr. Gupta said his son was alive and he is well, tears of happiness welled up in her eyes. I would like to have a converse or conversation. Choose the best one. So it have a conversation. Right answer. Unit 1 सरीगला तापर देखिए Unit 2. What do you mean by gracious in the poem Home and Love? Gracious means pleasant and sweet. 2I होचे when does one sing whole day long? When but if one has both home and love, he or she sings whole day long. Home without love is bitterness. Rhyming word of game. Game ro rhyming word hoche pen. The boy fell into the river but fortunately dashed him. Rescue. Rescue ro hobo were able to. The boy was able to hoba kotha chua eta. तापरे Unit 3 what is the boy doing there? एठी मेंशन ता सब्जेक्ट कहिछि त एठी सब्जेक्ट होचे the boy. How wonderful it is. Write the subject part. तो एटा हिसन तो हमरो it is. He might have eaten banana. Auxiliary verb might have. एठी auxiliary verb के पचारछि eaten होचे main verb, might have होचे auxiliary verb. I am going on a trip next week. एठी tense और time पचारछि तो एठी tense हबो present progressive, time हबो future. तापरे हला unit IV. After finishing his bath, what did Govinda Maharana do? तो एटा हमर आछि नोटिकल स्टोरी रो. After finishing his bath, Govinda Maharana took a glass of tea from his wife Sulochana. Sulochana did not want to question her husband for his work. Why? Because she knew that he was one of the best image maker in the whole valley. तापर 3I कोची how old was Govinda Maharana? Govinda Maharana was 61 years old. IV what was the price of image? The price of image was 250 rupees. Last question V. The image had been placed very close to the open window dash meter away, only 5 meters away. तो एटा थिला तुमर Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 एवं Unit 4 रो क्वेश्चन एटा प्रैक्टिस करके जीवो.